Hi guys and girls, today is just a quick review on factor trees. I'm going to show you how to do a factor tree. So when you're asked to do one with algebra in it, it's not that confusing. Okay, so let's get started. You've got the number 24, that's the number we want to factorize. Okay, factorizing is thinking of all the numbers we can times together to make 24. So let's start with 12 and 2. Because 12 times 2 makes 24. Could have also chosen 6 times 3, 3 times 8 or 6 times 4, but I chose 12 times 1. Okay, then we go 6 and 2, because 6 times 2 is 12, and then finally 2 and 3. Okay, and we stop because the only way I can keep on going down is going 2 times 1, 2 times 1, 2 times 1, and that's just not productive. So we end up with this as a factor tree. Now, as I said, halfway through, for each of these I could have made different choices and it would still be perfectly valid and correct. This is just one way of the possible ways of drawing the factor tree. Okay, so when you do it, if you want a bit more of a challenge, see if you can think of a different way to get to the same thing. However, the 2, 2, 3, and 2, these prime factors at the bottom, they should end up the same. Okay? Hopefully that sort of took you through factor trees and you understand it. And that was factor trees. Bye guys and girls. Hi guys and girls. Today we're looking at factor trees, but with a little bit of a difference. Now we've got pieces of pronumerals, letters, in our factor tree. So instead of factorising just a number, we're factorising a term that's got both numbers and pronumerals. Okay? So when you're doing factor trees, it's exactly the same. You're thinking of stuff that you can times together to make that term. Okay, so I'm going to start off with 75 and AB, just to break it up a little bit easy from the start. Okay, then I've got my AB, so I just think of, well, A times B together makes AB, and that's fully factorised, that AB part. If I don't know what A or B are, I can't factorise them anymore. Okay, now let's tackle the 75. 75 is made up of 3 times 25. Okay, 3 25s is 75. And then 25 is made up of 5 times 5. And that's my factor tree. 75AB has factors of 3, 5, 5, A, and B. Okay? Now, if there's dramas with your times tables, that's cool. Just have a go at doing it with your calculator. Think of numbers that you might be able to divide by and give them a go. And if you get a whole answer, you can factorise by that. Okay, so that is factor trees with the addition of a little bit of an algebra component. When you get to the next one, just a helpful hint might be that the x squared is x times x. Okay, so that's how that's going to factor out. And that was factor trees with a little bit of an algebra twist. Bye guys and girls.